ladies and gentlemen, the largest passenger aircraft in the world today. It is the Airbus A380. Majestic in the air, huge on the ground, filling the sky today here at the Changi Exhibition Centre. In October last year, just 4 months ago, the first A380 flew from the Airbus Delivery Centre in Toulouse, France, to Changi International Airport. The epic 12-hour flight turned yet another page in the rich aviation history of Singapore. The second A380 arrived last month in January. This A380 will complement the first A380, allowing rotation of aircraft and opportunity for crew training. Our third A380 is due from Toulouse later this month. Watch now as the aircraft approaches. Vice President Airbus Jacques Rosé, on the flight deck with test pilot Etienne de Malloret, will roll the aircraft to the left, showing us a beautiful profile of a wingspan of some 80 metres. Length of 73 metres, width of 13 metres, and a towering tail fin 14 metres high. The aerodynamics, onboard mission systems, and new generation interior designs and technology places the A380 in a class of its own. Powered by 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 970 engines, a maximum takeoff weight at 565 tonnes, the first double-deck aircraft is designed to carry from 555 to 800 passengers, depending upon the cabin layout. Indeed, a monster on the ground. The A380's arrival coincided with Singapore Airlines' 60th anniversary. How far do you think, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is this aeroplane from the types flown in this region back in 1947? Imagine all of 60 years ago how the Singaporean and near neighbour aviation pioneers carved new passenger highways in the sky in Douglas Dakota's DC-3's Avro biplanes. Ah yes, but a mere memory for veteran Singaporeans. There is one I know who will remember, Captain Winky Ho. He will remember, now in his 80s, one of the World War II Flying Tigers. 1947 to 2007. Has been an exciting period of innovative aerospace development for the region. And now, 2008, the inaugural Singapore Airshow has set the stage for the future aerospace technological advancements for the region. Provides exceptional spaciousness in all classes for passengers, clearly the best interior in terms of space and creature comforts. The A380 will offer you the ultimate in privacy. Each suite is a unique private cabin. Behind closed sliding doors is a spacious, truly personal sitting and sleeping place. Superb furnishings and finishes. The A380 before us today is configured for 471 passengers. Our 3-class layout, 4 abreast business class, and a more comfortable new generation economy cabin. Passengers can enjoy some of the world's finest wines, starting with Dom Perignon upon being seated. Some of the finest red wines of the last century, 1982 Chateau Cos d'Es Tournelle, 1982 Chateau Pigeon Longueville Lalonde, and Australia's winner of the 1990 New York Best Red Wine in the World, the 1990 Penfolds Granger. Vice President of Airbus and Chief Test Pilot Jacques Rosé, a very, very senior aviator and a highly experienced military pilot and civilian passenger jet pilot, is in the company of Test Pilot Etienne de Molleray, both from Airbus, providing this beautiful handling display today by this huge, sophisticated aeroplane. This A380 aircraft has a range of 7,500 nautical miles. Seat mile costs are 20% lower and a range capability over 1,000 nautical miles greater than that of the previous largest passenger aircraft. Requiring less runway length to take off and land, the A380 is fully compatible with most of the world's airport infrastructure. Rosé and Etienne de Molleray both at the controls for their final flypast today.